see you. Where is Daisy? I see you.
Release forms. Allowed forms. There's allowed liability. They're taking you back 65 million years to hunt the greatest predator the world has ever seen.
Where is Daisy? I see you.
To be able to do this, you are using technology that wasn't even a dream a few years ago. A new federal agency, the Department of Defense.
Where is Daisy? I see you.
Just for us. It's not a game. There's no reset button. Today, on this hunt, pray for the hunters.
Where is Daisy? Where is Daisy? I see you.
By the way, because it's a non-refundable. We should be doing this.
Where is Mommy? I see you.
Spend the rest of your life falsifying dreams.
Where is Daisy? Where is Daisy? I see you. Where is Daisy? Where is Daisy? I see you. Uh-huh. What is that? Uh-huh. You want to eat it? You do? Well, eat it. No, I guess not. Good job. Mm-hmm.
Look, the fish are swimming in the sea. That's right. Do you like the little fishies? Do you like the little fishies? Where are the little fishies? Here are the little fishies. Fishy, fishy, fishy. What do you don't want to eat the fishy, fishy, fishy. Huh? Okay. So what are you thinking today? You going to have fun? You going to go to the playground today? You going to go? Yeah. So Stacy, what else are you going to do? Are you going to read some books today? Yeah. All right, good. You going to have a good day? Mommy? Are you going to have a good day?
Yes.
All right. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can I have a big kiss? Big kiss. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye. Big kiss. Can we get a big kiss goodbye? I guess only one kiss per goodbye. All right. Oh, no, there's another one. Here you go. Bye-bye.